Welcome to the Arc Home Designer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of interior and exterior design, bringing inspiring ideas to transform your home. Even in a small space, you can recreate the warmth, romance, and soul of traditional Spanish design, turning your home into a sanctuary full of history and charm. With thoughtful details, natural textures, and handcrafted touches, your tiny home can feel like a peaceful Mediterranean retreat straight out of another era. Now, let's explore the most inspiring elements that revive the beauty of old-world Spanish architecture. Embracing classic Spanish textures. Use natural stone, rustic plaster, or textured stucco on accent walls to recreate the warmth of old-world craftsmanship. These materials instantly give your tiny home a soulful, historic atmosphere, even with minimal space. Combine terracotta tiles with rough wooden beams to create a rich contrast that feels both authentic and inviting. This layered texture gives your home a lived-in charm that modern designs often can't replicate. Incorporate warm, earthy tones inspired by sun-washed Spanish villages to soften your rooms and enhance coziness. These tones make your tiny home feel grounded, emotional, and full of personality. Bringing natural light into small Spanish spaces. Use arched windows or rounded openings to allow sunlight to pour in throughout the day, mimicking traditional Spanish cottages bathed in golden light. This creates a serene, uplifting mood the moment you enter the room. Place mirrors strategically to bounce natural light across textured walls, amplifying brightness without losing the old-world ambience. This expands your tiny space visually while preserving its rustic charm. Choose soft, sheer curtains in warm tones to filter daylight in a gentle, romantic way. This creates a dreamy atmosphere that feels intimate, peaceful, and deeply connected to Mediterranean living. choosing authentic old-world Spanish decor. Incorporate hand-painted ceramic pieces, vintage pottery, and wrought iron accents to give your tiny home a sense of history. These elements evoke a traditional Spanish spirit that feels soulful and expressive. Display rustic wooden furniture with carved details to recreate the craftsmanship of centuries-old Spanish homes. These pieces bring warmth, authenticity, and emotional depth into small areas. Use patterned textiles such as woven blankets, embroidered cushions, or old-world tapestries to add color and narrative. These fabrics carry cultural identity and make your space feel more alive and personal. Creating intimate Mediterranean corners. Transform a small nook into a cozy reading corner with a wooden bench, soft pillows, and warm lighting. This tiny retreat becomes a personal escape overflowing with charm. Add a miniature courtyard-inspired corner using potted olive trees, terracotta pots, or small citrus plants. Even the smallest natural element brings a touch of Mediterranean soul into your home. Use lantern-style lighting or wrought iron sconces to create soft, ambient light reminiscent of Spanish evenings. This simple change infuses your tiny space with romance and timeless magic. Restoring old-world warmth through color and materials. Incorporate deep browns, burnt oranges, rustic reds, and aged creams inspired by Spanish adobe homes. These tones wrap your home in an emotional warmth that feels comforting and nostalgic. Choose natural materials like aged wood, terracotta, iron, and stone to bring authenticity and historical essence into your interior. These materials ground the entire design and make it feel truly alive. Finish small details, handles, frames, trims, with antique or weathered textures to strengthen the old-world narrative. These subtle touches tie the entire tiny home together with character and charm. As we wrap up this journey through Spanish charm and old-world beauty, remember that even the smallest spaces can carry a soul larger than life. Every material, every color, every handcrafted detail becomes a story, one that turns your tiny home into a heartfelt sanctuary filled with warmth, history, and meaning. If this transformation sparked ideas or inspired your imagination, don't stop here. Your creative path is just beginning. Now, get ready for your next big inspiration. Small backyard, big impact. Transform your tiny garden into a dream oasis. This next video will show you how to turn even the smallest outdoor area into a breathtaking retreat. Click now and continue transforming your home, one beautiful space at a time.